Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute monkey with an apple on its tail? Well, let's get started. So we're going to start with the face, and we're going to draw a backwards 3. Just like that, and then we're going to join it. This is a little tricky here to try to make it even. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to draw the head, which is sort of like drawing a helmet. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to draw the ears. So 2 little arches on each side, little line in the middle. We're going to draw the body. So an oval shape for the belly, and then another shape just around, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna have my monkey's arms straight up, so an excited monkey. Okay, and the fingers, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just join it. And then on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join it with the wrist. Okay? All right. So now we're going to draw the feet. So my monkey's going to be in a crouch position. So with the knees bent. So one knee up. Okay, and then the other side, like a little hill, one knee up. Okay, and I'm going to draw the feet with the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, join it. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're just going to join it with the line here. So our monkey's tail will be on this side, and their tails are quite long, so I'm going to curl it just like that and bring it all the way back. Okay. All right, so now the eyes. We're going to draw 2 oval shaped circles and another one. Okay, and we're going to color in the pupils. And let me just even out my eyes like that. Okay, and little eyebrows. Okay, and the nose, all you need to do is just draw 2 dots. 1, 2. And let's give our monkey a nice smile. Okay. So they live in the tropical rainforests. That's where they're found, mostly in those regions. They use their tails for gripping. Okay, they have friction pads, okay, that helps them to swing around the tree branches. And their tails are actually hairless. They like to pick bugs, dirt, and other debris off their companions, and that's their sign of love. It's like an expression of affection. They sleep in trees at night. They choose tall, isolated trees whose branches do not touch others. So that's a way to discourage predators from going near them. Okay. They like to eat plants, fruit, nuts, flowers, vegetables, roots, rodents, and also birds. So it's not just bananas, okay? Because they're not commonly found in the wild. So most monkeys have likely never tasted a banana before. Okay, just going to continue to color it in brown. And now the arms and the legs here. Okay, and the inside, I'm going to use, I think, a nice bright yellow. So they have high IQ. They're quite intelligent. They use facial expressions and body movements and various noises to communicate with each other. And they also like to chase each other too. So they like to have fun. And there's lots of stories, children's stories. Curious George, he's definitely a curious monkey who causes mischief. Okay, so I'm gonna just color the feet in the pale pink. And I'm also gonna go over the eyes. Okay, I'm also going to use my little silver pencil crayon, and I'm just going to go around it, some of the edges, just to give it a little bit of the depth of our drawing. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a little apple right on its tail. So just do a curved line. And then bring it back up. And this is the stem. Okay, and I'm gonna color it red. Okay, my friends, before I go, I have a cute little joke. Why did the monkey go to the playground? To play on the monkey bars. Okay, my friends, until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.